In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upscale photos in Photoshop without losing quality. If you've ever tried to enlarge an image and ended up with something blurry or pixelated, this tutorial is going to fix that. We'll be using a built-in Photoshop feature that keeps your image sharper and more detailed, even when increasing the size by 200 to 300%. Make sure to watch until the end so you get the best possible results. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your image in Photoshop. You can do that by going to File, then Open, and selecting the photo you want to upscale. Once your image is open, the next step is to go to the top menu and click on Image, then choose Image Size. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+I on Windows or Command+Option-I on Mac to open the image size panel instantly. When the image size window appears, this is where the magic happens. The first thing you need to do is make sure that Resample is enabled. You'll see a checkbox near the bottom of the panel labeled Resample. If this is not checked, Photoshop will only change the print dimensions and not actually add pixels, so go ahead and turn Resample on. Once Resample is enabled, look at the drop-down menu next to it. Click on that drop-down and choose Preserve Details 2.0. This is one of Photoshop's advanced resampling algorithms specifically designed for enlarging images while keeping as much sharpness and clarity as possible. If you don't see Preserve Details 2.0, make sure your Photoshop is updated to a newer version, as this feature is included in modern releases. Now it's time to increase the size of your image. You can adjust either the width or the height, and if the chain link icon is enabled, Photoshop will automatically maintain the correct proportions. For most upscaling tasks, increasing the size to around 200% is a great starting point. In some cases, you can even go up to 300%, depending on the original image quality. As you increase the percentage, keep an eye on the preview to see how your image is changing. You'll also notice a Reduce Noise slider when Preserve Details 2.0 is selected. This slider helps smooth out grain or artifacts that can appear when enlarging an image. If your photo starts to look too sharp or slightly noisy after scaling up, gently move the Reduce Noise slider to the right. Be careful not to overdo it because too much noise reduction can make the image look soft. Small adjustments usually give the best results. Take a moment to preview the image at 100% zoom after adjusting the size. This gives you a realistic idea of how sharp the upscaled image really looks. If you're satisfied with the preview, go ahead and click OK. Photoshop will now apply the changes and upscale your image using the Preserve Details 2.0 algorithm. And that's it. You've successfully upscaled your photo in Photoshop while keeping it as sharp and detailed as possible. This method is perfect for printing larger images, improving older photos, or preparing visuals for high-resolution projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.